This is an update. And ooh, they got a new brushes in it. Ooh, it's still got the Softgloss XS too. Look at the top wash. Oh, got a brand new brushes in it. This is an older Softgloss XS too. It's
which one we get?
Top wash, supervise.
$14 one.
Oh, change it to $12 one.
That's too late.
Oh, change the wash.
Got it. It's only done.
Oh, it's done.
Oops.
Oh, look, that's a sign gauge there. That used to be a laser wash for 1,000. Look, this used to be a laser wash for 1,000. See the sign gauge there.
Alright.
Back in 2000s, it got replaced over XS2.
Okay.
So here I come.
No undercarriage wash.
They replaced the new red brushes.
0 undercarriage wash.
No undercarriage. Oh, they replaced the lights in it too. Stop. Oh, there's an old undercarriage light too.
Okay.
The old tail light. Wow, that is so cool. Still kept the Softgloss XS2 that was on the early 2000s. It's be an older machine. Yo, disabled the walker panel blaster too.
Yeah, probably.
And now the brush has started to fold it in. Yep, that is still there. Change to new brush color. This machine was started in early 2000s, but they changed the brush color to red instead of blue and red.
Okay.
Yeah, they changed the side brush color.
Okay.
It used to be an older laser wash 2000. Yup. Wow. Light. Yeah, this is the older Softgloss XS. It's still there, but to change the new brush color. But replaced the older indicator light. Like this too. That was started early 2000s. Used to be blue red brushes and now replaced the full red brushes. Ooh, comes the hot wax. Hot wax. This machine was manufactured in 2001. Yeah. I think the year installed in 2001.
Yeah,
since
maybe.
I was born.
Maybe.
Yeah. Pretty old right now.
Yeah, probably so.
This machine was started in 2001. It's still there. Yes, it's still there. And yes, back on a while back, it was blue and red brushes. This time it changes to red brushes.
Yeah.
And used to be LED light in it. They changed to the incandescent bulb too.
Okay, incandescent.
Incandescent bulb was on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah, they changed it. It happens.
Mm-hmm.
This must be older right now. It must be older right now. And yes, the top wedge is able to spin. Last time was disabled the top wedge spin, and now it's enabled the top
Okay.
wedge spins
Mm-hmm.
to get the water off. Finally, against waxing. It's pretty old right now. Oh, we placed the new LED backup light on the right side. It used to be incandescent bulb there before.
Another rinse.
Oh, clear coat. CMD says clear coat. Nope. Okay. Yeah, this machine is still there. They haven't replaced the brand new Softgloss MAXX 5 yet. This machine is still there. And now spot frequency. There used to be a blue and red brushes on side. Now they changed it to red brushes, full red brushes. Wow. Spot frequency. No indicator trash. Indicator trash is not working yet.
No.
Because it's older machine.
Yes.
Foambrite, clean, dry, shiny.
Just don't have it.
Model Softgloss XS. You know, this says Model Softgloss XS. They added extended tracks because the brushes can fold it in. This is a Mobil short wash bay.
Alright.
Yeah. Incandescent bulb right there on the left side there.
Okay.
Yeah, this machine is older right now. 2008. You can't see the placard right there. Can't see that. This was started in 2001. Yes, I looked at that. And it started in 2001. With full red brushes, and later it gets replaced to blue and red brushes on the side. And then it got replaced back to the red brushes again. You know, ooh, they enabled the top brush spins while it's rinsing. Ooh, it's enabled the short wash bay. Short bay option. They enable it. Yeah, there's gonna be updates of that machine. That maintenance got replaced. Wow. Yeah, it's a very old machine. This one used to be incandescent backup light. This year, they got replaced in LED backup light. The red lights got replaced in incandescent bulb. Yeah, it still kept the same system. Back a long time ago, I see the laser wash 1000 on age. That means used to be a laser wash 1000.
Okay.
But I'll put the previous washes that were here.
Alright.
Was laser wash 1000. This was built in 1986, was Ryko R7B.
Yeah.
And later,
That's changed.
back in the 90s, got replaced the laser wash 1000. And then it replaced this Softgloss XS too. This Softgloss XS too. Caution, slippery, and wet. Calm down.
Alright.
All done. Yeah.
Yep, all done.
Look at that brush is coming outside a little bit. That.
Seatbelt on.
Okay. The front brush is coming outside a little bit. On front.
Okay.
There used to be a Mobil gas station there. Thanks for anything.